Okay, you sure you don't want breakfast, Bray? Bray? Brayden? Alright, bye.
It's FTV and 4K HD from Wildwood to Disney Vacation reviews or videos in between. Let's go FTV.
We're actually walking to get breakfast right now. We're gonna go to, it's consistently one of the top rated places in Wildwood. It's personally one of our favorite, Jellyfish Cafe. Boys, as you saw, they're sleepyheads. Well, we knocked out early, Mom and I both. Brayden put Kenobi on. I don't know, for some reason it's just a snooze fest for me. So we'll go check out Jellyfish, see if it's still consistently as good as it normally is. But don't sleep on Vegas Diner. I really want to go back to Vegas Diner. I love Vegas Diner. It's really good, but I don't think we're gonna make it happen this weekend. These mugs change colors.
They were all red.
Yeah. So I went with the chipped beef, and Mom went with the traditional eggs Benedict. And I got tater tots for the first time. I never tried them, but not bad at all. Cream chipped beef. Wow, that's actually really good. Like, I'm surprised. I tasted the sauce a little bit before I tasted everything. I like it a lot. Mom just said that they could be the best eggs Benedict she's had. So she's had a lot of eggs Benedict. That's a bold statement. Today is the long-awaited but dreaded for the boys beach day. You ready for it? Oh yeah. We're gonna be out there. We're getting a late start. We already went to the store. We got a bunch of stuff. And we're ready to go. You love the beach, eh? Beach Day 2022. These are for now, these are for now. Ready? Yep. What the hell? It's so cold, Mom. Yesterday was ridiculous.
Scream Kenobi.
No. Nothing. Kenobi! I did it. Woo-wee. So yeah, we want to get shirts for tonight. So we're gonna go to Wet n Wild. They're like the best spot on the boardwalk. They're big and they got a lot of stuff to choose from. Feels nice and cool, right? Like Florida when you walk in a building. Shirts. Shirt time. We got shirts from where we always get shirts from. And the guy actually recognized us, which is pretty cool. He says he lives in Pennsylvania and he comes here for the summer every year. Always here. Always. I have you on a vlog 2 years ago.
I was gonna say, man, I remember you with the camera. I wanted to say it the other day, but I was like, what if he doesn't remember?
We got our shirts, we're gonna change, and then we're going. The Wildwood merch for the night. So, braided. Okay. Kyle. Nice. Me. Mom. Model shop. There we go. There is Cattle and Clover. So we're going to try their mozzarella sticks. Cattle and Clover. So as you can tell, this place gets packed at night. It's massive. Many people are standing everywhere. An Elmo.
Hi guys, we're gonna try the mozzarella sticks. I heard they're very good. And Elmo wants some.
Alright, first impressions are they are humongous. Look at this. Are you taking a picture, man? Oh my god, let me see it. Is that what I look like? I'm gonna cut it open now. Alright, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it no sauce first. Wow. This is a mozzarella stick right here. This mozzarella stick is amazing. I don't like mozzarella sticks either that much. This mozzarella log is so good. This could be the biggest fried pickle I've ever seen. It looks like a fried fish. It's like I just caught Nemo and like I'm gonna eat him. Really good. So you very impressed? You love everything here. Cattle and Clover. If you want fried stuff, Cattle and Clover has got you covered. They were that good, we had to order another round. They're phenomenal. Came here to order light, just a little appetizer, just to try it to see if the hype lives up to it. And the hype does live up to all the Yelp reviews. But we want to eat light because we're going to do a pizza review on the boardwalk after this. This is single-handedly the best thing I've ever had in Wildwood to this point. It really is. We won! We won again! Show them what we won. We won.
We won them.
You gotta see how we won this. I'm gonna show it right now.
Okay, pick the ones you want. Grab them.
Butter? Just there.
All right.
Out this door, you got a live entertainment. Out this door, you got the beach. This is Wildwood, guys. This is what Wildwood is all about, right here.
Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please.
Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please.
Okay. Ready? High five, high five. Nice. It's getting loud over here. Rowdy. So we are on the tram car. We are taking the tram car down to Sam's. Because we're going to get a pie from Sam's, a pie from Macks, and then we're going to get a Kona each. And we're going to test all 3 of the staple pizzas on this boardwalk. And we're going to tell you the best pizza on the boards. Wildwood MDW Summer 22. Macks versus Sam's versus Kono. So we're gonna try it. One bite, just like pizza review guy Dave Portnoy. Sam's, Kono, Macks. Macks looks funky. Sam's looks okay. Kono looks solid. Alright, Sam's, one bite first. It's not bad. For what it is. I like it.
Yes, it's okay. Sure.
Alright, Mackey's. Same floppiness. I didn't expect it, but I think I like Macks better so far.
It has a more richer taste. This just tastes like grease.
Let me try it again. Let me go back, Sam's. I don't think pizza is really supposed to have a sugary sweet sauce. Let me try Macks one time.
And the crust, like, it's just so yummy.
The crust is definitely better on Macks, right off the bat. Macks does have a weird taste too, but meanwhile, this kid is almost done with both pieces.
I don't know which one I like most. They're different, but they're both good.
Alright, shall we go for the Kona? Kono?
I like the substance in it better.
Macks is definitely best. Kono the best.
Man, I don't know. I like them both. I get what Kyle's saying too. I do taste a lot of grease in Macks.
I'm gonna say Sam's the best.
You're saying Sam's?
Yeah.
And second?
Macks.
Then Kono? You?
Macks, Sam's, Kono.
Best Sam's, worst Macks. This is just there.
Sam's was cooked more, it might be a
That's what I'm
better.
thinking. Like, I'm thinking maybe just Sam's rush it, but they always rush it. That's their problem. Let's go stick them back in the oven. Kyle reminded me, Kono was actually $27 for 4 pieces, which equals a whole pie. Macks was $20 and Sam's was $20.50. Given the price and consideration, I think Kona, and it does kind of have like a weird cheese taste. So yeah, I'm putting Kona last.
Me too.
I just don't know Macks or Sam's. I guess what we're saying, they're all solid choices. Which is terrible. I don't know. Now I like Sam's. I don't know. I really don't. How about this? If you want something that's cheesy and fried, just go to Cattle and Clover. This is by far the best thing I've ever had in Wildwood. They like completely broke.
Okay.
Oh my god, how did that happen?
I don't know. And look at this one. I was just walking. This one started to fall apart. This one started to do that. And then all of a sudden, when I was looking at it, this one just goes and splits.
They're like, we're done. It's just breaking.
They're forkies. Wow, die hard. Goodbye, little fella.